Today we are going to explain Pythagoras property.
Does anyone know the meaning of statement AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square?
Slow and clear, but it does not slowly and clear.
Does anyone know the meaning of the statement AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square?
This is Pythagoras property. Who finded Pythagoras property?
Before Pythagoras, who found that property in India?
Yes, it is Bodhayana. It was called as Bodhayana Sulava Sutra.
Bodhayana invented this property and all credit was given to Pythagoras and it was finally came to be known as Pythagoras theorem.
The longest side of the right angle triangle is called as hypotenuse side. The sum of the two sides of the right angle triangle is equals to the hypotenuse side. For example, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 is the hypotenuse side and the square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. The sum of 16 and 9 is 25, which is the square of 5. Let us take another one example, which is 12, 13, 5. The square of 12 is 144 and square of 5 is 25. The sum of 144 and 25 equals to 169, which is the square of 13.
Today we have made a model which shows Pythagoras property practically. This is right angle triangle and the hypotenuse side is 10 cm, the base is 6 cm and this side is 8 cm. We have put sheets in these two.
Stand on the stage. Stand on the stage.
We have put seats in these two boxes which have been filled perfectly. Now if you move seats from these two boxes to this box, then also it will fill perfectly. It shows Pythagoras property. The square of 6 is 36 and the square of 8 is 64. If you add 64 and 36, it becomes it gives the answer as 100, which is the square of 10. This property only suits on right angle triangle and does not suit on any other type of triangle. Can anyone give the example of lengths of right angle triangle, which is an example for Pythagoras property? 10 and 26. The square of 24 is 576 and the square of 10 is 100. If you add both the square of 24 and 10, it becomes 676, which is the square of 26. Then
now I invite my friend K. Manjunath to ask you some puzzle based questions.
K. Manjunath of class 7B. Today I am going to ask few questions of puzzle based. If you know the answer, please raise your hands. Question number 1. Using 4 9s and 1 1, form any numerical expression such that it results in 100. The answer is Thursday. I came home from a trip 3 days before the day after last Monday. How many days I have been home? I repeat the question. Today is Thursday. I came home from a trip 3 days before the day after last Monday. How many days have I been home? 3 days. No. Yes, the answer is 6 days. The angles in a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Work out the size of each angle. I will repeat once again. The angles in a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5. Work out the size of each angle.
30 40 30 40
Yes, the answer is 45 degrees, 60 degree and 75 degree. Question number 4. John and Jim share some sweets in the ratio 5:7. If Jim gets 12 sweets more than John, work out the number of sweets that John gets. I will repeat the question once again. John and Jim share the some sweets in the ratio 5:7. If Jim gets 12 sweets more than John, work out the number of the sweets that John gets. Yes, the answer is 30. धन्यवाद.